Hi, Ben. It's Mommy. We've got the hiccups. What are we going to do about the hiccups? Oh, did you give me a little turtle face? You are such a handsome little man. I'm sorry you have the hiccups. What do you see over there? What do you see? That was a little baby yawn. You're so cute. Mommy loves you. Okay, Ben, we'll see you later. Say bye-bye.